managing the property and maximizing the potential. That's what we try and do for our landlords. So jumping into our mission. Our mission is to be vested partners with landlords. But rather than me telling you, I figured I'd put a couple testimonials of some agents that are not with Graystone. Very similar to you, they're with outside agents that use us as a referral and let you hear it from the horse's mouth. So with that, I'm going to kind of turn this over to a couple of those agents.
Hi, my name is Michael Kernodle. I'm a agent with Coldwell Banker, South Tampa. I just want to give a quick review for Jay Michaelick and the property management team at Graystone Property Management. I've been working in real estate for over 5 years now as an agent, and also I'm an investor. Their property management team is phenomenal.
Hello, everyone. My name is Cassie. I'm a realtor with Realty One Group Sunshine. And I have known Jay
Not sure.
from a previous life. We used to work together forever ago. So when I got into real estate and needed property management and saw that he was now in that space, he was, of course, my go-to because of who he is and his character. Love Graystone. Have sent multiple clients to them.